Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Today's video is gonna be for the broke girls. I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 different ways you can use your concealer. We know makeup can be expensive, and I have decided to do this series where I show you guys how to use one particular makeup product in 5 different ways. The first video I did, you guys loved it. I'm gonna leave a card here to check it out if you haven't. So if you guys would like to learn 5 different ways you can use concealer, not the typical way you already know, something different, then keep on watching. So the concealers we're going to be using today are the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the Zaron Concealer, and the Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer from MUA Makeup Academy. So the first thing we can use concealer for, which you all know, is contour. So if you want to contour with a concealer, make sure you use a concealer that is 2 shades darker than you. So I'm going to be using the MUA Makeup Academy Concealer. Blending it out. So we all know this about concealer. We can use it to highlight our face and also clean up our brows. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Starting out with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm gonna use a lighter concealer, which is my Zaron Concealer. So I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up my brows. Also, while cleaning your brows, you can use the concealer to prime your eyes. Another way you can use concealer is using a darker concealer to blend your eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply the concealer on my hands and take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it on my crease just to add depth. You can use it all over your eyes, or you can use it just to give your crease some definition. You can decide to leave it as it is, or you can go a step further, add more colors, set the concealer with a darker eyeshadow, whatever you like. But this is an alternative for when you don't got no money, you know. So basically, I am using my concealer to cut my crease. It's been a while since I did an actual cut crease, so that's what I'm just going to be doing today. If you guys want to learn how to cut your crease, I'm going to leave a card here, very detailed. You're going to love it. So if you do not have graphic liner, you can always use concealer as a substitute. All you have to do is use the concealer to outline the place you want to use as the graphic liner. Then take an eyeshadow and just tap it on the concealer, and you've got yourself a graphic liner. I'm going to be using this blue for my LA Pride eyeshadow palette, and I'll just use that to apply on the graphic liner. This brush is actually very thin, so it's going to help me out with the liner. I'm also going to be using this pink shade in the front of the graphic liner. If you've ever wanted to have nude under eye or white under eye instead of the regular black gel liner we always use, and you don't have that nude pencil or the white pencil, you can always substitute it with concealer. Since concealer is something that almost everyone has in their makeup kit, this is going to help you to not break the bank. So all you just have to do is apply the concealer on the line just the way you would apply your black gel liner. Apply the concealer. You can leave it like that, or you can set it with a white eyeshadow or a cream eyeshadow, whatever color you want. It doesn't have to even be white or cream. You can use red, you can use blue, whatever color you want. You're gonna get it, and it's just gonna look just as beautiful. The last tip I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is using concealer as your lipstick. So if you do not have a nude lipstick, you can always rely on your concealer to help with your lipstick. Apart from using concealer as your lipstick, you can use the concealer as a base for your lipstick to make it pop even more. So for example, if you want to use a red lipstick, you can use your concealer first on your lips, then add the red lipstick, and it's gonna make it pop pop pop. So today we're gonna be going for a nude lip, so we're gonna be using our LA Girl concealer for lipstick. Now I'm using that brush I used to blend the contour on my eyes earlier on to just blend everything together. You can also use contour as lip liner though. I forgot to add that. So guys, this is the final look. I love it so much. It's giving UK girl makeup. Like, this is such a good makeup application. I really love it and I am obsessed. Like, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this look. I would really love to know because I love it a lot. Among all the different tips and hacks I gave you guys, which one was new to you? Which one do you already do? And let me know in the comment section which concealer hacks you have for us. Share it with us. Let's learn together. So let me know in the comments which other makeup products you would like me to do for the next Broke Girl Guide to Makeup. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, or Mathildaduku. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more makeup tips and tricks. I'm gonna leave some videos on the screen here, and I'll leave another video here which you might like. Please watch my videos, guys. You're gonna love it. If you've watched 1, 2, 3 videos, why aren't you subscribed? Just keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.